So, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. We want to study the next topic, clear. And today's topic we will talk about thereof a new lecture we are going to take that is called gender of nouns. Clear. We want to talk about gender of nouns. Is we are talking about roots of nouns, and if you remember, I told you that in roots of nouns there are four. Number one, what was that? Number one was cases of nouns. We studied cases of noun. Number two, we talked about types of nouns, and now the third one we will study about gender, and after number four we will study about what? Numbers. We will study about the numbers. Can you all hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
All right. So these are the four roots of nouns, clear? Cases of nouns, types of noun, gender of noun, and number of noun. We have already studied. So today we will talk about thereof gender of nouns. So in gender of noun, what gender refers? Gender refers here to a noun like sex of a noun. Either a noun, it is masculine, feminine. I mean that male living being or female living being. Or I have written the definition. A gender specific noun, clear, is a noun that refers specifically to someone or something, male or female. In English, the gender of most noun is neuter, clear. We have neuter gender. We will talk about this. However, if a noun refers to something obviously male or female, then the gender, it will be masculine or female, feminine. So we have got for nouns, clear, gender of nouns. How many? There are four gender of noun. How many genders of nouns we have? There are four different genders of nouns. So the first one, that is masculine gender. Number two, feminine gender. Number three, common gender. And the fourth one, we have neuter gender. You need to understand that a noun has got how many genders? Four genders. Masculine gender, feminine gender, clear. We have got feminine gender, common gender, and the last one we call it neuter gender. So let's talk about one by one all of them. So let's talk the first one, clear, that is called masculine gender. I will make it a little bigger, you could quite easily see it. Now let's talk about the first one, clear, that is called what we call it masculine. So masculine gender is a gender. It refers to what? It refers to male living being. Gender, noun, clear, a noun, and it refers to what? It refers to male living being, male, clear, mard. So we call it what? Masculine gender, like brother, father, clear, uncle, etc. So we call them what? Masculine genders. Father comes, brother comes in masculine gender. According to the gender, it comes in what? It comes in masculine. Whereas feminine gender is what? Feminine genders are those genders that refers to what? Female living beings. Which living being? Female living being. A noun that refers to female, clear, we call it feminine gender. Like we have mother, sister, daughter, clear, etc. So we call it what? Thereof masculine, feminine gender, sorry, clear. So let's, I want to differentiate between both of them. Let me make it clear, bigger a little bit for you so you can see it. Hopefully you people can see. Look, son. Son is what? It's masculine. Whereas daughter. So what is daughter? Daughter is feminine. Complete entire note that I have mentioned here, you people can see on your screens, especially for